Hey Heidi, this is Brooke. I spoke to you on the phone earlier today, and this is the video I have for you guys. So first off, I'd like to start off by going over a few things on your website. Uh, so Google, they love content, and you guys actually have quite a bit of content on your page. Um, Google likes about 1,000, 1,500 on home pages. You guys are sitting at about 932 words, so you could use a little bit more, but you guys have a pretty good amount of content. They also, when you save photos, see what they're saved as. You have Madison Plumbers, and yeah, you guys saved your photos good. You want to save them for keywords. Let me just make sure I didn't click something else. Let's see what this is saved as. Content badge. So I would save that as a keyword you're trying to rank for instead of just content badge, even though content badges might be more appropriate for that. I would still save it as plumbing Madison, Wisconsin, or plumber Madison, Wisconsin. It just will help you with rank and SEO. But all in all, you guys have a pretty good amount of content on your homepage, which is really good. You can see your competitor here. He has a fair amount too, but he only has 816 words. You guys have 932. I would still try to get a lot, get some more content, get closer to that 1,500 words, just so you're not even with the competitor. You're ahead of him by quite a bit. I'll just help you guys pass him in ranking. Then another tool I like to use is Ahrefs. It lets you see the organic keywords that you're ranking for and the traffic you get organically, as well as you can put your competitor in there and you'll see your competitor has quite a bit more keywords, and his organic traffic isn't actually too much higher than you guys's. You guys had a pretty big bump this month, it looks like. I don't know if that's normal or if you guys, it looks like you guys are uh, been working on stuff recently and going up. It looks like you guys are in a pretty good trajectory. And you'll also notice backlinks. Backlinks are very important when it comes to SEO. You also want them not to come all from the same place. You guys have 38 referring domains, which is good. You also want to make sure you're getting good backlinks. Not all backlinks are created the same. You want ones that are relative to what you do. You don't want some food service like Pizza Hut linking to your website. You'd rather have, a plumbing website or home home improvement, something that falls in line with what you provide, what services you provide. Your competitor, you'll see he has 390. You actually have more backlinks than he does. He has more referring domains, and your UR is pretty similar. So you guys are not doing too bad on backlinks, but you guys could definitely get more. And you can also come in here and see what backlinks he has and go after the backlinks that are good and not the ones that have no follow or that are not relevant to you. And then you can also go in and see what organic keywords you're ranking for and see where your traffic is coming from. You actually get quite a bit of traffic from septic tank services near me. It's got a volume of 4,800, pretty high volume, and you guys are ranked number 8 for that. But after that, you guys only get about 3 a month from Sun Plumbing. And when it comes to Madison Plumbers, you get about 1 a month, and it just goes down from there. And you also see you're on the second page a lot, and sometimes the third page. And if we go to see your competitors, keywords, you'll see all his top traffic keywords are relevant to the area he is targeting, as well as his position is all on the first page for quite a while up until this one. If he wanted to rank for bathroom repairs near me, he would need to do a little more work, but all in all, he has pretty good keywords, and he's ranking pretty well for them. And they got decent amount of volume on them, and he gets a decent amount of traffic from them. Next off, when it comes to searching for plumbing, Madison, Wisconsin, you'll see the top is ads. These are a little more special ads. You have to get verified with Google first before you can get these ads, and then the normal ads are right here. These ones are supposed to help reduce spam and some other things that the other ads were not as good for. So it's a little bit better, but next you'll see the Google Map Pack, and then you see organic ranking. When it comes to Google Map Pack, you want citations, and I like to use whitespark.ca for citations. And you'll see your number one competitor has 67 citations. I believe this is you guys. You have 10. Not entirely sure if it is or not. Your location and phone number are a little bit different, but the name, everything, it looked like you guys. But again, I'm not entirely sure. But you can come in here and click on your competitor, see all the citations he has and where he's getting them from, and you can just go and click on them and go there and copy his citations and get the citations for you. And you don't have to stop there. You can go get all your competitor citations. You can go find directories online and get a bunch more citations, and surpass the 67 citations he has. Go for 100, go for 150, and just blow them out of the water and get ranked on Google Maps, as well as start ranking organically. And you're welcome to use that information how you want. I look forward to hearing from you. I'll get in touch with you, touch base later, or you can call me and let me know what you think. I would also love if you could let me know any feedback you have on this video and what you think. And have a good rest of your day.